There's treasure.
Good morning, everybody.
In the hills.
Going by the Relic singer now.
I can find.
Today is kind of a special day today.
Won't you come along?
Found my first find here. Check it out.
And maybe we can find some.
Thanks for watching my videos. I really enjoy sharing my hobbies with others. Hey everybody, I'm out and about again. I'm in the same location that I've been in the last few videos. Today I'm going to go to some of the sites that I found in my exploring, and I'm going to do a little bit of metal detecting today, and around a fire pit that I found, and a site that had some old broken bottles that I searched a lot but couldn't find any whole ones. But I'm gonna do a metal detector around those spots today, and I'll probably do a little bit more exploring today in some areas that I haven't been. Well, here we go. Well, I'm at the fire pit and I found a signal here. Check it out. Might be a couple things there. There's definitely iron right there. Probably a nail. About right there. All right, let's dig it. Well, it's out of the hole. It's here somewhere. It's right there somewhere. There it is. A nail. I knew it. Oh well. There was not very many signals around this, so I went ahead and dug it. I think we're going to go to the other side here now. Well, I'm at the broken bottle site. We're going to detect here now. Take a look. See here, there's some broken bottles there, some old cans and stuff like that. So we're going to look around here on the sides and stuff, and with the metal detector, and hopefully we'll find something. Well, I might have found something. Hey everybody, I'm done with the metal detector around those sites. I didn't find anything, but I thought I'd go on and move on to a little bit exploring. I'm in a new location now, same area but new location, and there's signs of that somebody's been out here. On aerial maps, this area, you can tell that it's been at one time this was farmland, and you can see where they made like a fence or threw the rocks out of the field or something. But there's some holes over there. I don't know if you can see that from here, but and other stuff. Maybe we might find an old foundation. I didn't see anything on aerial maps, but there's a good chance out here. I'm seeing a little bit of things. So we're gonna take a look around and maybe we'll find something. Well, here's something kind of interesting. It looks like it's part of the old railroad track that they cut off or something. I don't know. That's what it looks like. Kind of neat. Cool. I'm going to take that. All right. Found some more interesting stuff. No big deal, but some old railroad spikes. One there, and there's another one back here in the bush. Ow! That's kind of cool. And this looks like part of a lantern. I'm not going to keep it, but that doesn't look too old. Probably 50s. I don't know, 60s. That's definitely part of a base of a lantern. Coleman lantern, probably. All right, I'm still looking. Well, I haven't found anything here in a bit, or in the last hour or so, but I'm hiking along this old fence post line. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can make it out, but these rocks go in a line. You can see old fence posts buried. Well, I found something kind of interesting here. Check it out. Here it is. It's kind of ornate, but it's definitely, I think it's some kind of step, maybe onto a old vehicle, or maybe even old wagon or something. Because you look at the nails, they're square, kind of. Yeah, they're square nails. So I'm curious what that's for. I don't know if I can get anything off of it or not, but that's kind of cool looking. All right, on with the searching. I'll have to do some research on that one. Hey everybody, I'm all done with my hike, and I just go over what I got again. Well, the first thing, on that metal detecting, I didn't find anything metal detecting, but I hunted for a couple hours in those two sites, and most of it was just old tin cans and trash. A lot of old stuff, but nothing worth even showing. But I did go explore a while, and I did find a few things. Nothing major, but some stuff that is kind of interesting. Well, the first thing I found was the old metal train track. This probably dates early 1920s, 1930s, somewhere around there. Basically, it's pretty much the same as it was, except for size is what made the determination on that. This is a smaller size, because you compare it to today, is a lot larger. So that's kind of interesting. And then the old train track stakes or spikes probably date around the 20s and 30s too. And then I didn't record this, but I found these old hinges. They date from about 1950s, around there somewhere. This style was real popular back then. They actually go pretty good on selling them. People that want the old style hinge, they make remanufactured ones, but it's hard to find with these kind of designs and stuff. But the most interesting thing I found was this right here. I've done a lot of research, spent a lot of time trying to figure out what it was. The unique feature about it, there's no writing on it except for there's a number 4 on the back. I don't know if you can see it there, but I can't even see it now. I did find a number 4, but that was it, if that's what it was. And it's got these rivets, but they're square. It made me think that it's a lot older, and the bracket's kind of curved. So I'm thinking this is maybe part of a carriage, a step up to it into a carriage or something like that. I could not find any examples of it anywhere. Like I said, I hunted for a couple hours trying to find something to get a date off of it or get an age of it. It could be maybe part of some farm equipment, but I'm thinking my top choice would probably be part of like an old carriage or a stagecoach or something like that, because they did go through that area around late 1800s. They were in that area, so that's what I'm thinking it is. If you guys could know any more information than me, I'd be really curious to find out. But I like it. I will probably mount it somewhere because it looks cool. I like the looks of it. Well, I didn't find much, guys, and I'll be going out there again. I found some old maps, and possibly I found a site where there was an old school that I'm going to go metal detect. So that'll probably be my next video if I find anything. We'll see. I'll show it to you at least where the old school was. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Where there's treasure up in the hills, and I sure hope I can find. Well, won't you come along with me, and maybe we can find some happy times.